Now what comes up?
So installing Go to Assist.
Okay.
Okay. It still says connecting Go to Assist. I don't know what's wrong.
Okay. Okay.
Right, it's running a little bit faster now. I think I need tech support for this computer. It's going really slowly.
Okay. Now still showing the connected go to assist.
Okay, it says, what's it saying now? It's still running very slowly. I don't know why. I think it's something to do with this alert, malware alert. It's really slow.
Okay.
I may have to take this live stream off again just to reduce the settings. It looks like the stream isn't going very well. Apologies about this.
Okay, still downloading there.
Still downloading. It isn't running.
Okay. They will be at the bottom. There will be a green bar is there, right?
Nothing yet. Oh, finally something is happening.
Okay.
It just says wait. It says verifying support key, please wait.
Okay.
What's it doing?
Okay.
Seems to be running very slowly.
Okay.
Apologies to everybody on the live stream. I don't know why. It's something to do with the live stream, the fact that this is running very slowly. But hopefully we'll get this going shortly. I think he's going to complain ultimately about just how slow my PC is, but it must be a consequence of running a live stream. It says connecting at the bottom right. Connecting? Is that what I should be seeing?
Okay. Okay, there will be a green bar at the bottom.
Yes, it says connecting.
Okay.
So I'm closing a few processes desperately in the background here just to make sure I've got...
Now what comes up?
So it still says connecting.
Okay, no problem. So it takes a long time because I believe
I
that
don't know why.
your computer and internet is working really very slow because it got infected with the virus.
Oh,
so
is it the virus doing this? Alright.
Yes,
Nothing
let
to
me
do with the
explain you
live
now
stream
what
then?
happened now. Actually, the alert which you got, that is the security block alert, which is coming from internet, because right now you haven't no any internet security. That is the reason while browsing over the internet by mistake or by accidentally, you might have a click any link which was not secure. Okay.
Oh, I see.
That is the reason while browsing over the internet by mistake or by accidentally you might have a click any link which was not secure. All right, sir?
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm
Hello?
still waiting for the connection. It still says connecting. Yeah,
Okay. Now what you can see there still now? What you can see?
it just says connecting, and there's a little hourglass symbol, and
Okay.
yeah, it's
All
not
right.
doing much.
Okay, no problem, sir. So what I
My
can do that
PC
for you? It
really
got
is running like a dog,
infected with the
and it is
virus.
something to do
So
with
what I can
the
do that
live
for you? I
stream.
can go ahead remove all those virus
Okay,
and repair all the damages, clean up your entire network so that you can
okay,
use internet and computers and there will be no problem. All right.
right, good.
And
Thank you.
also, yes, and also right now I found some of the like the hackers also might have access of your computer, so we can go ahead remove all those bad connection, all those bad people, so that they cannot get it into your computer anymore, and your all information will be secure. All right.
Right.
So in order to fix it, we just required some certain tools and the software. These all are licensed tools and the paid tools. There will be charge applicable, just 299, so
Okay,
that I
I
can
see.
fix it for you. Okay,
Okay.
so that you can use internet. So like, how would you like to make the payment? Will it be a Visa or Master?
Oh, do you not fix the problem first before I would pay you?
Sir, I need to, sir, because sir, first of all, I just need to purchase some tools and the software so that I can activate license key, and then I'll fix it for you. Okay, so don't need to worry about that.
Oh, right. Okay. Well, it still says connecting. I don't know why it's too slow.
Sir, yes, I'll let you know. Don't need to worry. I'll repair all the damages. Then your computer will be good. It will be good as new
Oh,
one. Okay, so don't need to
it's
worry.
just started. I think it says something about go to assist and a
Okay.
support connection. It says web expert has invited you to.
Click on yes. Click on yes.
Okay. So apologies, this is really slow. It is something to do with the live stream, and it's not normally this slow, I must say.
Okay, just
Anyway, bear with it. Maybe this guy will be able
all
to
right.
make
So you
something of the
you
computer.
just leave your mouse, please.
Yeah, yeah.
Do
I'm
not
not
use your
touching it.
keyboard and mouse. Okay.
Okay,
Yes, it's working very slow. So
you're
let me
telling
just
me.
fix it for you. Okay. Wait. And how old is your computer now? How old is that?
Is the computer? Do you mean?
Yes, computer.
Oh, it's about a year and a half, I suppose, something like that.
Year and a half. Okay.
About a year and a half, yeah.
And how? All right. How many people use this computer now?
Well, usually just me, but sometimes the family would use it.
Sometimes family also use it.
Yeah, yeah, my
Okay.
family do from
Just
time to
give.
time.
Okay. Okay. Just give me a moment now. Let me check the status for you. It's working slow, so it takes some time.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. And since how long you are facing this problem?
Oh, just a few minutes ago. I've never seen that sort of message before.
Okay. And can you please show me the message? What
Yeah,
message you
it's.
got? Just
Oh,
open
where
that
is it?
message.
Where is it? Here somewhere. I saw it in my browser, and there was like an audible warning, and I couldn't get rid of
No,
it.
no.
But
Just
now it's just frozen.
yes, yes. You
Oh
just
dear,
open it
this
now
computer really is slow.
so that I can
Oh,
help you.
it's actually taking around about 30 seconds for me to click something and it appearing, so this might be a bit painful for everybody.
Can you open it now, please?
Yeah, I've just clicked on it, I think.
Okay.
It says, do you want this app to make
Click on
changes?
yes.
Oh, yes.
Click on yes. Did you click on yes?
Yep, thanks for the feedback in the live stream. It seems to be working okay. And I'm just looking through some of the comments. Scammer. Oh, there it is. It's just reappeared. I don't know what's happened. I'll make the scammer volume a little louder. Okay. It just disappeared again. I don't know why.
Okay, now you can just again press Windows and then R.
Okay. Oh. So somebody asked, why does the computer
You
age
press
matter? And I
Windows
think
and
the
then R.
short answer is they look to try and claim that it's out of warranty. I think that's the reason why they do this. Oh, there's the window. I don't know
Okay.
why.
Just wait, wait, wait.
It's running
Leave it
really
now. Leave
slowly.
your mouse.
Something to do
Leave
with the
your
live
mouse.
stream, so apologies. Maybe it's because it's a VM and I'm running a live stream, but I don't do this very often, so hope you'll bear with it. There's the message that I got. I don't know if you can see that, but it
Yes,
just
I see that
appeared and I don't know
message now.
why.
I see. I have seen.
Okay.
So I have already told you that it got infected block just because of the due to lack. Just leave your mouse, please. Do not use mouse from your side.
Okay, sorry.
Thank you.
It's very keen for me not to use the
So
mouse because he
what I
wants
have
to
told
take
you that
control.
right now I have already informed you that you have no any security. That is the main reason you are facing this kind of the issues. And the reason is why because you have a no security. That is the reason you are
Hopefully the
facing this kind
scammer's
of the
audio
issues.
is a bit
Okay.
louder now.
So what I
Okay.
can do that for you? What I can do that for you? I can go ahead remove all those virus and repair all the damages for you. Okay,
Okay.
so that
Okay.
you can use the internet. And in order to fix it, there will be some charges will be there, which I have already told you, 299.
Two
So
two
just give
ninety
me a
nine.
moment. Can you please open the? Okay, can you please open the Windows and then R again? White box is there. You
Yeah.
can just do it one more time. Just do it one more time.
Yeah, I think it did. Just pressed Windows R, but it's really slow. There it is.
Okay.
Yeah, to say anybody who tuned into the last live stream, that was an accidental live stream, so there was no audio at all on that. Hopefully the audio is a little bit clearer this time. So what do you want me to do?
Just again press Windows and then R. You're supposed to see.
Yeah, it says I explore
Okay.
www.helpme.net.
Just leave it. Just leave it now.
I think I'm in everybody's location at the minute. Yes, we might have Hoax Hotel joining us, I don't know. If you're listening in, Hoax, give us a shout out on the chat, please. Yeah, what do you want me to do?
Okay, no problem. Just leave it as it is now. And
Okay.
let me know like how would you like to make the payment? Will it be a Visa card or Mastercard? So that I can fix
Well,
it.
I'm happy to. I've got a Visa card and I can use it, but
Yes.
I'd like to get it fixed first.
Sir, I can go ahead. I can fix it first. That's not a problem because you have seen there. I have already started work from my side, but it's the
Oh,
computer's working really very slow. That's why
it
it takes some
is. It
time.
is very slow. It's maybe something to do with that message, is it?
Yes. Okay. Yes,
Yeah.
that's the reason. So don't need to worry about that. You can grab your card and let me complete my work. Okay.
Right. Okay. Well, give me a second. Somebody saying subscribe to PewDiePie. I must say I have. This is probably sacrilege, but I've never ever watched a PewDiePie video. There you go. I do use a few aliases, and one of them is Bob Vegan, as in, yeah. So, what do you want me to do?
I'm asking you like what will be mode of the payment so that I can start my work.
Well, I've got a Visa card. Will that do?
Okay, help me with your Visa card number, please.
Oh, is it secure to do that?
Yes, that's 100% secure.
Right, I've never heard of that. Surely you would fix it first and then take payment?
Sorry?
Surely you would fix this first before you would take payment? I mean, it's
Sir,
still
I have
broken.
already started. Yeah, sir, I have already started my work. If you can see now, but your computer is working really very slow. So that's the reason it takes some time. Okay, I have already connected your computer with the secure server,
Right, right.
and I have already started my work. So
Oh,
don't need to worry
I
about that,
see.
sir.
Good, okay. Well, I mean, as long as you say it's secure, then it must be, I guess, is it?
Yes, so that's 100% secure,
I'm
sir. That's the
sure it's
reason. Okay.
100% secure.
You don't
Sorry,
need to
I'm
worry.
speaking on mute here, so the scammer can't hear me at the minute. Okay, well, I've got my Visa card here. Do you really need the numbers right now, do you? I mean,
Yes,
can you
yes.
not take payment
Let
later
me
and
know the number,
email it
please.
to me? Or, can you give me an
No, sir.
invoice or an email or anything?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir. You have to use the Visa card now.
Right, well, okay, but, okay, go on. I'll give you my Visa card number then.
Okay.
It says pages unresponsive, malware alert. That's his own pop-up freezing
Yes,
this machine.
Okay. So what is the number is there?
Okay, it's 4556
Okay.
and then 4022. This is obviously a made-up
Okay.
credit card number. Then it's 8615,
Okay.
but it should pass the validation checks. And then 5500.
Expiration date of this card
Is 0620. See,
three
silver
number
brew.
with the back side of your card.
Right, the number on the back, yes, it's 239.
239. And your first name is?
It's Orson.
Okay. Orson card, right?
Orson, and then surname is Cart, C-A-R-T. Yeah, it's a bit of an old joke.
Okay,
but
alright.
hey.
And your email address is?
Oh yes, it's Orson, O-R-S-E-N C-A-R-T, all one word, Orson Cart at hotmail.com.
Your billing address, like your home address is?
Yeah, it's 14 Maud Road, London, E10
Okay.
5QS. Yeah, try and write that one down quickly, Mr. Scammer.
Can you spell me the what is the 14?
Thought he'd ask me this.
Mall Road.
Maud, M-A-U-D,
Okay.
Maud Road
Okay.
in London.
Okay.
That's Greater London,
Okay.
not Lesser London. And
Okay.
the postcode is E10, but you probably know this already,
EN.
5QS for quick sale.
EN.
E10.
EN.
No, E10.
E10.
E10 5QS. I think that is a real address, so
Okay,
hopefully
alright.
whoever
Just give
really
me a
does
moment.
live
Let
there
me just
doesn't
activate
kind
the
of sue me or
license key for
something.
you. Just give me a quick minute, okay?
Okay,
Wait for a
well,
moment.
I mean, how long does it take to fix?
Sir, I have already started my work. I'm just fixing it for you. Just give me a quick minute, okay?
Oh, yes, okay.
Thank you.
And of course, what he's really doing is checking all of those details.
And what
see
is
if
the
they're
name
valid.
of the bank? The Visa card which you're using now, what is the name of the bank?
It looks like Lloyd's TSB, it says.
From which country?
From which country? Well, the UK. It's a UK number, he obviously
But the
does
card
scams
which you're
from all
using,
over the
that
place.
is not belongs to UK.
It is. Well, okay, it's originally was, my bank was from, I used to live in the US, but does that matter? Oops.
That doesn't
Didn't
matter,
check.
sir, but
He's
even
checking bin
that is
DB.
not belongs to US as well. You know from which country card is belongs.
Yes.
You know everything. You are just pretending that you don't know. You do not know anything.
What?
So stop
I'm
making
sorry.
pretending. Just
Sorry?
tell me truth.
Tell you the truth.
Yes.
What do you mean? I don't get it. Thank you, Snoops, by the way. Just says, God bless you, King. Thank you, Snoops. Really appreciate it.
Okay, so the card is
I don't get what you're saying. What's wrong? I thought you were fixing my computer, and I don't get what's wrong.
stop making prank caller.
Sorry,
Okay.
did you say prank caller? My PC is low. You cannot. Yes, I'm gonna have to be a little bit more careful about that credit card number. That's a real shame. I might ring them back anyway, and I'll look up a different UK credit card. Chances are we'll get somebody else here anyway. If we ring back in like 2 minutes, let me just do that again. Just put that in. So the same number. Call again. In the meantime, I'll look up a proper UK credit card number. Are you still working on my computer? I wonder. Hello?
Thank you for calling technical support. This side Sam. How can I help you today?
Hello, yes, I've got my computer seems to be blocked, and I don't know why. It's got a virus Microsoft warning alert on it.
I got you.
Can you help?
So for how long you have been facing? Yeah, I can, sir. Definitely, I will do it.
Okay, it's about, well, I suppose about 15 minutes, but it hasn't disappeared.
So what was the last activity you were doing over to your computer?
It was, I don't know, I was looking up my family tree, the Cart family, and this suddenly appeared. Don't know why. It's just blocked the computer.
So is it first time you are having this kind of trouble?
Oh, I've never seen this sort of thing ever in my whole life. I don't know why it suddenly
Okay,
happened.
I got you.
Yeah.
No worries. So can I have your name, please, sir? Right now I'm talking with.
Yeah, my name's Orson.
How do you spell out?
Yeah, it's Orsen.
And the last name, Orson?
And my surname is Cart, Kart.
Alright. So do you have any email address which you registered? Which is valid?
Well, I have an email address, yes. Yeah.
That is. Can you please tell me?
Yeah, Orson, ORSEN CART @hotmail.com.
Thank you so much. So, Mr. Cart, right now what I'm going to do, okay? Let me tell you about the problem which you're having, okay? The problem is something which is coming through your network. And over to your screen, you will see, it will ask your username and the password as well, right?
Right, okay.
Yes. So that is something someone...
It does say that, yes.
Yes. So do not put any your credential information over there. Okay, leave it as it is because someone might be hacked your computer and your informations as well. Okay.
I see.
And they are monitoring. Yes, they are monitoring your computer. So I'm just going to connect you over to my secure server, Mr. Cart. So I will go ahead and I will remove it and I will block those unauthorized people. Okay.
Oh, that's good because it's making like a noise as well, and I can't get rid of the noise.
Yes, I know.
Right.
So you will see over there, okay? It's gonna corrupt, you're gonna grab your email address, Facebook login, credit card details, photos and pictures, right? So someone might be, just taking your all the details. So I need to block them. So for that, I'm going to connect you over to my server.
Oh, okay.
So Cart, do one thing. Have a look over to your keyboard. Do you know where is the Microsoft key, the window key?
Yes, I see it here, yeah.
Yes. So press that key and hold it down, then push the letter R as in Romeo.
I'm gonna have to kill the other guy off this computer. It's running incredibly slowly. Okay, I've just pressed it.
Yeah. So you will see over there, run box.
Yes, it says run open. Yeah.
So go ahead and type over there www.
God, it's running so slow. Oh, this is running really, really slowly. I don't know why. www. Yes, I've just typed that. Yeah.
Yeah. Dot.
It's even hard to kill this. Dot. Yeah.
It's a fast, like running fast. You walking fast.
Running or walking fast. Do I have to type all of that?
Like, it's an example.
Oh, see,
yeah, it's F-A-S-T.
F-A-S-T. Oh, I see,
then
fast,
support,
yes. SUPPOWT. Yep.
SUPPORT.
Oh, sorry, ORT. ORT. Oh, yes, of course. Yep.
Yeah.
Support. Yep.
Support.com.
Support.com. Okay.
Now hit OK.
Fastsupport.com. Wow, thank you very much, JWoo13, for $20. I really, really appreciate that. That's very generous. Really, thank you very much for that. Just as thanks for doing what you do. Really, really appreciate it. Yeah, I'm going to keep this going. As long as there's scammers, I'm going to keep taunting these guys. Okay, what's it got here?
You will see over there, establish support connection.
Actually, scammer bingo, that's a very
Type
good
your
suggestion.
name
I
and
must
support
actually
key.
get the old scammer bingo card out. Okay.
Could you see there?
It's running really slowly. Don't know why.
Okay.
It hasn't.
Because of the viruses.
It must be that. It's nothing. Nothing to do with this pop-up. Well, it's running really slowly. What do I do? Oh.
You just need to wait. Alright.
Thank you very much, Anne.
Actually, right now you don't have any another way to fix the problem, so obviously you will have to wait to open the file.
Anne Ortega,
So
thank you
did you
very much
click on
for
OK
your support.
after typing www.fastsupport.com?
Oh, is that what I had? Sorry, I hadn't. I'm just waiting for it. I'll hit OK now. I'm not very good with computers, you can probably tell. I'm not very good with live streams, to be quite honest, because this machine is absolutely crawling. So let me just kill everything. In fact, I may even reboot this VM. Yeah, I think I'll kill the whole lot. Let me just do that. Okay, it's still locked.
It's still locked?
Yeah, it's absolutely frozen.
So nothing is happening over there?
Zero. There's nothing happening at all. Let me see. Maybe if I reboot it. Okay, let me try that. Actually, even the VM isn't resetting very well. So let me just check on our stream. And once again, really appreciate that donation. It does help me combat these guys and doing the odd. Oh, right. This is what's wrong here. It's totally frozen.
So just please let me know, is there any kind of changes or not?
It started to reboot.
Okay, so just do one thing, press the window key, hold it down, then push the letter D like David.
Gainsey,
like
thank you very much. I will have a few pints and I really appreciate that as well. Gainsey 95 there.
Okay.
That's worth at least a couple of pints, so cheers. And if I'm ever your direction, I'll have to get you a pint back. It's just restarted.
Yes. So did you press the window and the letter D like David?
Yes, Windows D. Sorry, it's still starting up.
Yes,
so,
and now.
Yeah.
Now you will be over to your home screen, right? Your computer screen.
Yes, it's got my home screen now.
So just now press the window key in the letter R as in Romeo.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, it's
what do you see over there?
Still starting up. So, right. My goodness, it's working really slowly.
I can understand, Mr. Cat.
Okay, it's just started up this second. Again, really appreciate your patience on the live stream. This is running incredibly slowly and I'm not sure why.
So you type over there www.fastsupport.com.
Right, wait if I could. It's still starting up. Gonna kill these other ones. What's wrong here? Oh, it's just started. Probably just everybody just looking at a boot screen, but it really is incredibly slow. I've killed off the other VMs in case it's something to do with that, but I suspect it's more to do with the live stream and quite old hardware. Right, it's just started up. Right, what do you need me to do?
You need to press the window key and with the letter R as in Romeo.
Okay. I'm just going to kill all of VMware because it's just running far too slowly. Let me start it up again.
You done?
Yes, it's just crashed.
It just crashed. What?
Oh, it's started up. That's better.
Yeah.
And I'm running an old version of VMware. Seems to be running a bit quicker this time around, so maybe this little reboot will help. Let's hope. Nobody said desktop yet. Just waiting for that. And I do, well, there's plenty of RAM in this, so let's see. Okay, it's so what did you need me to do? Did you say Windows something or other?
Yes. So you need to type in that run box. Did you open the run box?
Yes, I've got the run box open.
So what do you type in that run box?
So in there it's got CMD.
Okay, remove that one.
Okay.
And type over there www dot.
I'm kind of stalling him in a bit just with this reboots.
Fast,
yeah,
like
fast.
F
Okay.
as in Frank.
Okay, fast.
Support, SUPPORT.
Thank you very much, Danny Beverstock. Danny's messages, it's not much, it is quite a lot, so really appreciate it. For all the people you've helped, again, thank you, Danny. Thank you for your support. Okay, fastsupport.com.
.com. Yes, now click OK.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, what's it doing? It's bringing the browser started up and it says support connection, enter your name and support key.
Put your name and I will give you support key. Okay.
Okay. Right, let me type it in. Right, Orson. Okay. I've just
Okay, so go ahead. Put your support key.
Okay.
So
obviously
the support key is
rebooted, so I'm just taking note of this.
294.
Where do I put that?
In the first column, you have to put your name, your first and last name.
Oh, yeah, yes, I did. Yes, I've typed that in.
Okay, so now come in your second box where you need to type your support key.
God, this isn't much faster, but anyway.
You ready?
Yeah, I think I am.
Okay, your support key is 294.
294.
009
Okay.
024.
Okay. 294009
Uh-huh.
024.
Right.
Okay.
Now click on continue. Hit on continue.
And continue. Apologies, this browser is incredibly slow, so hopefully with the malware or the JavaScript pop-up it'll be running it slightly faster, but let's see. Okay, it's doing something.
Alright. And now you have to follow all the positive response like yes, allow, run, continue. These options.
Okay.
Okay.
Rich Jennings, thank you very much for your donation. £2. It says the legend returns. Well, thank you for that. I wouldn't go as far as legend,
Now
but
click on yes.
appreciate the support anyway. Thank you very, very much indeed. Cheers, Rich. Okay, it's running really slowly. I don't know why. Is it something to do with this pop-up? For anybody on the live stream who
Now
hasn't
click
seen the
on
pop-up,
yes.
I've got a
You
little
did.
snapshot of it and I'll show that in just a second. The number I'm calling it's a London number, 0203, but it's obviously routing to somewhere in India. I haven't found out where yet. Okay, it says
So
it's
your
starting.
internet is working fine?
I think so. It says something about starting support connection.
Okay, allow me a moment because I'm getting a fully black screen. I'm not getting your screen.
Oh, I hope somebody else hasn't used that fast support number to connect in, which is always a possibility on a live stream. But anyway, let's just try. I shouldn't have typed that number or listed. Okay, so it's still downloading fast support.
Okay, give me a moment.
Somebody I think has sneakily typed that number in.
So that is your first name, Laito Tajas.
No, that's not my first name. No. So somebody on the live stream is now
So
using
you
that
type
number.
from your end, you know.
Oh, I see. No. I don't know.
You type LIETOTAJS.
Okay.
You typed it.
Oh, that could be. No, that is not me. I don't know. Have I given you the wrong number, or have you given me the wrong number?
No, actually, I gave you right number.
Oh, okay. Why is that? Because I don't see any connection here. I really should have muted this out of the live stream, but anyway, let's see what happens.
Could be possible your internet is turned off.
It might
Could
be.
you please go ahead and check your internet? Yeah, internet connection. Everything is perfect.
Yeah. Maybe I need a new number or something, do I? I am using OBS at the minute. Smarty,
so just tell me that right now, what do you see?
So it says join a session, support key, and the support
Click
key
on join.
is blank.
Click on join.
Click on join. No, the support key it says is blank. It says join a session, go to assist. It says join a session.
Go ahead, click on join.
No, but it says the support key is blank. It says please enter your name and support key, and there's no support key. That was definitely a mistake, announcing the support key. Someone else has joined it.
So close that page, close each and everything.
Yeah.
Come at your home page.
I'm at my home page.
So over there, can you see go to assist customer application you have downloaded right now?
Yes, it's downloaded, but it's got name
Okay,
support
just
key as
double
blank.
click on that.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
Oh, I've got 2 people who have just contributed. It's again just there's 2 thank yous. One's from Bobby 45800. Sorry, from TRTINEE.
So go ahead and put your name in the first column.
Yep, I've done that. I've got my name there.
You ready for support key?
Yes, I have.
Different one?
Yes, yeah.
Your support key is 459.
Yeah.
115.
Yeah.
114.
Okay. Oh, it says verifying support key. Please wait.
Okay. Now click on yes, Mr. Cott.
Yeah. It says connecting.
Okay. It will ask for the permission, request to join. So
Yes.
click on join.
I'm just waiting for it.
It is, can you see over to your screen? It is requesting permission to join. So now go ahead, click on join.
Nitesh, thank you very much again. You've sent me some rupees. Oh, appreciate that. Yeah, it says web expert has invited you. Oh, its screen went black.
Yes.
So obviously the guy's connected now finally. Wow, DKK,
Wait.
thank you very, very much.
Just leave your mouse as it is, alright? Let me go ahead and let me fix
I'm
the
just
problem.
overwhelmed. Thank you
right
very much
now,
for that.
Mr. Cart, you are connected with me, alright?
Okay, yes, I see my mouse moving.
Yeah, that's me.
DKK, that is far more than a pint or 2, so really appreciate it. This is DKK from Denmark, DK obviously. Really appreciate that, Gold Mob. I'm just staggered by that. That's just really, really appreciated. Thank you very much. So our scammer is still connected here. Let's see what he's going to do. Yeah, I couldn't get that to run. I don't know if you can help me.
Yeah, sir, I can help you, but
it was running really slowly.
The computer is... Yeah, exactly.
It's nothing to do with
computer is running
livestream.
very slow.
Yeah, it's been running ever since I got that message. It's just been really slow. I don't know why. DKK, again, I really appreciate that. It's far more than a pint or 2, so thank you.
Don't know. Let me check first.
And I see Luke, or PC Kitty as he used to be. Thank you again. I know you've given me a couple of pounds there as well. Check out Luke's channel as well. And Luke was one of the first to download and get access to a scammer's PC, which is extremely impressive, especially because he's so young. So hello, Luke. So do you know why it's running so slowly?
Yeah, I know very well, because the infection and the viruses which you may have installed over to your computer, okay, through which the system working slow. It's
100 Danish
right
crowns.
now.
Even so,
So
still
that's the reason
appreciated.
behind it.
Okay. Right, I wonder why.
Yes.
Incidentally, I've filled my
But
history
not worry about
with
that.
a whole lot
Once
of junk.
I will, remove those infections, so it will perfect, and also your all the informations would be safe and secure. So
Yes,
having
that's
issue with that one, right?
yeah. Thank you. If he looks back in the history, he'll be able to see what is a load of junk. And if you ever want to do this, if anybody's watching wants to make your browser history look legit, then do have a look at makeinternetnoise.com, and you'll see some of the entries. Just puts in 3 random words in a Google search, and you'll see that, wow, that particular pop-up seems to be causing a lot of traffic, and it's just as well I killed it.
Okay, give me a minute.
And I've got
Let me work.
another contribution from Norway, from Vedjorn. Hopefully I've pronounced your name right. And just saying, doing good work now for the support. Thank you very much again. And also to Carmen Harmon. I'm not sure that's a real name, but thank you again. It's $20. And really appreciate your sending top-notch videos. Thank you very much. And Mr. Oaks Hotel is in the chat as well. Wow. Hi, Oaksy. Do you know why I would get this sort of error? As I say, for anybody in live stream, he's looking through.
Actually, lonely or unlonely, okay? You might have visited any kind of websites, okay, any kind of suspicious websites, alright? Or the bad websites.
Is that what it is?
So, unfortunately, yes, you might have clicked any kind of links or any kind of advertisements. Once you click over there, okay, you might have installed that bunch of infection over to your network.
Oh,
okay.
Is that what it is?
And
right.
Due to that kind of, and somebody, it means there could be a hacker who might have hacked your computer and your all the informations as well.
Really?
And what kind of information? Yes. I will just show you and I will just fix the problem as well, okay?
Oh, right, okay, thank you.
So let me go ahead. Yes, let me start my work.
Right, thank you, that's really appreciated. And it's also appreciated that people in the live stream who are throwing in the odd contribution for a few pints. Really appreciate that. Thank you all very much. Mello has just said, I love you, no homo, you're right. Not quite, but yes, thank you very much. Equally, Lord Logan, £2, that'll definitely get a pint.
Well, it will any website you might have visited.
Similarly with
and after that it comes over to your computer, okay?
Okay. He's now looking through my browser history. I have no idea what's in my browser.
Everything will damage your internet,
stuff.
each and everything.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, it did pick a particularly odd-looking URL there, but as I say, that was in my browser history. So.
And the trouble which you were having, let me show you.
Yes, I want to know how it happened. Why did that happen? The answer is I was browsing some. These guys tend to cyber squat in typos. So if you instead of typing Gmail, if you type in Gmail, or if you reverse some of the letters or whatever,
Mr.
then
you must have heard about the Trojan malware, spyware, right? The viruses.
Trojan spyware malware.
Yeah.
Well, it was
on
that
ever heard about it?
It was on that pop-up, but why would I get that?
So those kind of things, okay, the malware, spyware, Trojan, you might have installed over to your computer, and those are going to, corrupt your data, information, and the other stuff as well. Yeah.
Yes, okay. Is that why I keep getting all of that alert?
Yes. Still you're having the same problem, but right now you're not looking. Okay. And I believe so that you were having that kind of trouble, okay? You're gonna connect over to the secure server, alright?
What he's clicked on is this screen trying to refresh itself, so that's why
no one can get
anything.
into your computer and no one can send you any kind of harm file.
Oh.
Okay? So right now you are secure. And how can you identify? Have a look.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. That's the sites, okay, that's the secure sites, alright. So let me close that one.
Okay. So he's not quite worked out what's gone on there, so and nor does he
So
speak
I'm
to his
just going
colleagues,
to,
obviously.
check the number of infections, and I will
Yeah.
just, scan your this entire network as well.
Okay.
Yeah, but
How
it
do you
will
scan
take
my network?
time. Yeah, I'm going to do it from mine, right? I'm going to use my command, and I
Okay.
will do it.
Okay.
But definitely it will take time because the computer is working slow, right?
Yeah, it is definitely slow.
Yeah, so obviously it will take few times to diagnose the issue.
Okay. Well, whatever you have to do. By the way, I'm just checking in the background for a fake UK credit card so that I can use it whenever the time comes and he doesn't kind of cotton on that it wasn't a UK credit card. So, what do you need to do on it and how long will it take? Because I really don't have too much time.
Yeah, I'm understanding, but I will not take too much time, okay? I will fix it right now.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, most welcome. Just I need to check,
Thank you to
two and three things in
thank
your
you to
computer. Then I will fix it, okay?
thank you very much. Thank you to
Most
XX
welcome.
Toasty XX Toasty. Just says love watching you exposing trolling scammers. Yes, I think these
So
guys could do with
have
more
you
of a
typed
troll.
it from your end? I explored www.helpme.net.
Yes, I did. And equally to Snywolf says buy a beer and unsubs from T Series. Not quite sure what that is, but if I was in T Series, definitely I'd unsubscribe. That will buy me a beer, so thank you very much. And in fact, to Mr. Puffins as well. After all those pints of a coffee to sober up, that will get me a couple of coffees, thank you. And a Gurav Rai has got 100 rupees, thank you very much. I know I have quite a few people in India who watch this channel, and they tend to kind of distance themselves a lot from these scammers, and they definitely don't reflect the majority of people in India. I'm well aware of that. So again, I get a lot of people who write into my channel to say we're actually so embarrassed about these guys.
And how many computers you were having got
How many
over to your same
computers?
network?
Well,
Yeah.
this is my only computer. The whole family use this one, so do I need another one? Of course, I don't need another one.
No, actually, you don't need another one. I'm asking because once I will check your entire network, so your all the devices will
Oh, I
gonna
see.
scan.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's gonna have a
So
bit
this
of
is
work
only
running
a
event
computer,
viewer
right?
here. This is my only computer, yeah. So all the usual scammer stuff. He's gonna look into the event viewer logs, see the errors and warnings, and tell me it's a virus, which it isn't. It's going to take him a while on this extremely slow machine, though. Bobby 45800. You're saying if
Oh
I'll make a
God,
Jim
your
Browning
computer
Discord,
is working very slow.
it is very slow. Yes, it's really slow. I haven't really
But
run my
make
own
sure once I
Discord
will,
server.
complete my work, your computer will, work very smooth.
Oh, I hope so. Yeah, that's really what it
And
needs. Yeah, it's running. I
yeah,
haven't seen it run quite as slow as
I
this.
can, I can understand that how you were using your this computer because right now it's working very slow, and you will not be able to use
Yes.
any device, any applications or your file as well.
Oh, okay. What file is that?
Yeah. All the files, whenever you try to log in, it takes too much time, okay? Right?
Yeah, I
But
get you.
once I will fix it, everything will go smooth.
Okay, thank you. So it's just saying to Bobby, I haven't run my own Discord server, but I might set one up. A few people have asked for that, but I tend to think that I maybe wouldn't have the time to run it and organise it, but I'll see. I'll look into it, Bobby. So thank you again for that donation. And Sayori, who's given me $4.20.
Checking
Thank you. I'll
time.
not be hanging up for a little while.
And right now, I'm just going to check the number of warnings or alerts. Okay,
Okay.
that's called the infections, which you might have installed and someone send you through link. Once you click on that link, so you may have installed that kind of infection or viruses.
So apparently I can install an infection via a link, which is semi-true. You have to still run something. The link itself normally wouldn't to be able to do that. Okay. Hi, Vibjorn Sandvik.
Yes. And somebody, might be hacked your network because you don't have any kind of protection over to your network, okay?
Okay.
Whatever you do with your mobile phone, with your computer, with your laptop, it means you are going to share your information, your email address, password, your login password with anyone, okay?
I
With
wouldn't
somebody.
do that. I would never share my password.
Actually, indirectly, directly, you are not going to do that. But however, you log in your Facebook over to your computer, your mobile phone, you do online shopping, banking, bill payment.
Yeah.
Whenever you put your password in your mobile phone, so they are monitoring your mobile phone screen. So they can see whatever
Really?
you are doing, okay? That means you're set. Yeah.
Oh, that's scary. How would they see my mobile phone screen?
That is. Actually, they are over to your IP address. Do you know the mean of IP? The IP is something, Mr. Card, okay, which has been provided by the government as per your geographical location. And once they get into your IP, so they may have your all the informations, okay? And I'm just going to show you what kind of informations and what kind of application you are having.
Thank you.
Give me a moment.
And thank you, Jedi Buddhist, who's thrown me in a fiver as well towards a new CPU, and I think I might need this. And you've even given me the equivalent in rupees, kind of knock off or add 2 knots usually for the version in rupees. 470
so could
rupees
be possible,
is a fiver.
you must have heard about it.
What's that? Sorry.
The Trojan.
Trojan. Not really. I don't think. What is that?
Not really. And I'm going to show you, and the same file is running in your computer.
Thank you again to Bobby. I'm just going to get the scammer bingo going in just a second. And also to Tausif, thank you very much. Says love from India, keep making these bastard scammers life hell. I certainly will. As I say, as long as they're around, I'll keep haunting them. Tausif, again, thank you very much. Okay, what is CSRSS?
Okay, and once I will just show you. This is, a Trojan or hidden monitoring software, alright? Which you and someone install it over to your network.
Really?
And this file is directly run over to your server.
Okay, so CSRSS is a proper executable which runs on Windows machines, but there are links that you can click on which will describe it as, I believe, a Linux Trojan rather than a PC Trojan, so he's probably going to give me a bit of scare tactics here. And again, people on Discord or on the live chat, thank you very much, Fari786 for $9.99.
So now have a look over here, Mr. Cart. Okay. Go ahead and read these 2 paragraphs, only descriptions.
Yes, okay. I haven't seen any. Oh, yes, okay. PC Advisor has detected. Trojan and
no, only this one, this line.
Oh, I see. Can't read the other bit.
Description.
CSRSS is a hidden monitoring software that tracks your personal information such as credit card, social security number, ID, email addresses, surfing habits. That sounds bad. Is that what's the problem? Is that why machines running really slowly? Is that what it is? Is it hell?
Yes. Because due to those kind of viruses or infection, those are going to corrupt your Microsoft corporation, Microsoft services, and this is a reason your computer is
I might have a look at that number.
So just we need to reinstall again, okay?
I'll have a look at that.
For this Microsoft. Okay.
Flippy is floppy
And
saying
how we
Discord's a
gonna fix
huge privacy
the
nightmare.
problem?
But yeah, I look at it.
Have a look.
Okay, yeah. And what is it says? What recommended that you remove it from an unknown operating
Yes, I
system?
will recommend.
Okay.
Yes, I will recommend you some kind of things. Just go ahead
Okay.
and remove all these things. Okay, we need to use some high-end and paid tools. I will just type each and everything, and all these things you will get as a documentary over to your, email address
Oh, to
as a
email.
soft copy.
Oh, right. Yes. Thank you. Are you going to
Yeah,
send that straight
we
away?
will.
Can you send
Yes,
that to me?
I
I
gonna
can print
send
it
that.
out. Okay. Thank you. Malik 1013. Thank you very much. You've given me
And
$30, which
also
is
you will
very,
get, the
very.
proper legal documentation over to your email address and your billing address as well.
Well, thank you.
So let me go
That
ahead.
is very generous.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. The netstat.bat. Yes, I've got a fake netstat and I've got a fake CMD where the tree command and netstat are kind of deliberately give you false information or kind of anti-scammer information. I actually, what I'll
Okay, you
do
will
at the
leave
end of
this
the live
machine as
stream
it is.
is I'll
Okay,
give
you will
links
not
to
use
some of
this
that
machine,
software, and if
and
anybody
after
else wants
that
to
you
run
can
it,
do
they
your
can.
work, whatever you want to do. Okay,
Okay, thank you very much.
just
So again,
leave
Malik,
that machine.
really appreciate that.
And
$30 is
first of
very,
all, the
very
things which I'm going to do into
generous.
your case, okay, because IP address which you are having, I do believe that you know very well about the IP address, right?
I think so. Yeah, I'm not great with computers,
Yeah.
apart from live streams.
Okay. Your IP address is something, okay, which has been provided by the government as per your geographical location. And right now your IP is looking in this numerical digits. But once
Okay.
I will,
It is
fix the
laughable when you
problem
know
and I
about
will,
IP.
just our network
192.1.
security
It should be
expert will put
168
some
is an
kind of
internal
securities.
network.
So your IP address would be like in this coded word.
Oh, I see.
So no one can see your IP, okay?
Oh,
That
right.
would be safe and that would be secure. Your
I get you.
password, credit card information, everything will be secure. Okay?
I love the technical bullshit. So, Stephen Huxtable, again, thank you very much for that donation. Likewise, Chris W.
So in order to go ahead and fix the
You
problem,
can't
we are
see
just going to
this,
assign
by the
a
way.
level 3 network
So this
technician
is
who's gonna
something that
fix
I
the
can move
problem,
on and
okay?
off the screen. Okay, this scam research thing is not visible on the VM. Oh, assign a level
So what
3.
they gonna do?
Okay, what are they? What's a level
Yeah.
3 tech?
It means the problem which you are having right now, okay? The technician will fix the problem from their end, alright?
So
And I
I'm
will
also
connect a
going
call to
to run
them,
scammer
so they will just
bingo,
do
finally.
their job, okay? They're gonna clean up your IP address. Okay.
Okay. Versatile Ninja, thank you very much. Just as
Remove
love what you're doing.
infections.
Cheers, Versatile Ninja. And again, thanks to B Rob 199. Thank you for dollars. And hopefully my desktop will be fixed. We'll have to see. Tony Frost, thank you very much. Again, that'll get me a pint or two, so appreciate that.
Third party access.
And Joe Scambiat. I've got
And
Joe
we're
Scambiat
gonna
on.
block
Thank you for teaching so much.
pop-up.
We've had chatted in the past, so Joe, good to see you on the live stream. Thank you.
Sometimes you get spam or junk mail as well.
Junk mail. I get junk mail. Yeah. Is that why?
Yeah. Yeah, that is also a reason. Okay, over to your email address on Hotmail, you might be getting junk mails. Whenever you are lonely, you might have tried to open that one, so that infection also comes from there as well.
Is that what it is? Is that why I get junk mail?
So
I wondered.
the time frame would be 45 to 60 minutes to go ahead and fix the problem.
Does it really take that long? Okay.
So that kind of tools are requirement in your case to go ahead and fix the
Brother
problem.
Russ,
Okay?
thank you very much.
And right now,
love your videos, really appreciate that, Brother Russ.
to go ahead and fix the problem, to go ahead and remove that one. It would be a one-time fixation, okay,
Oh, sorry.
and
Sorry. What?
removing.
Remove the hacker.
In order to go ahead, yeah, we are just going to remove third party as well, okay?
What's the third party?
Third party, there could be hacker or attacker, okay, who might be sending you that bunch of infection and who might be monitoring your computer, okay?
Infection. Right.
So, to remove that
Yep.
infection and the viruses, the one-time fixation would be $50 to
Oh.
remove this viruses, okay? Yeah.
Actually, he's much
And
more
to
reasonable than
remove
the
these
last guy.
hackers, the same amount you need to pay. That is a tool cost
Oh.
which you need to pay, right? And I will send you the
Oh
proper
dear,
legal
these
documentation as
costs are
well.
mounting up here.
Okay?
Yes.
And the
okay.
hidden monitoring software, the tool, this is a few costly tools, okay? So that would be $149.99 to go ahead and fix it right now. And I will start
I
my
see.
work right now. Okay? Yeah. So what you need to do, that would be your work, okay? I'm going to get you registered. So first of
Okay.
all, you need to put your name, first and last
High
name,
Feet has asked me
your
to shout
email
out in the
address,
background,
where
go
I will
away,
send you the
yes.
bill,
I'm
your
assuming that's
fast
a
contact
dog or
number,
something like
and
that.
your
Yeah. If it's an in-joke, sorry,
billing
it's
address.
lost on me, but
Okay?
I'll make the shout out
So
in
go
just a
ahead,
second.
first of all, put your name over here.
Right, go away. Go away, yes. Go away, yes. Sorry, my dog
Go
is
ahead.
here. And, yes. Get down. Right. So, yes, you want
Go ahead.
me to fill out all my details, yeah? Okay.
Yes, go ahead.
Oh, it's running very slow. Oh. Why is
Okay,
it
you
so
can
slow?
type. Alright, I will say it. It will, sir. Now it will.
Oh, see. Oh, that's better, yes. That's definitely better. I think that's what you need, is it?
Yeah, that's all. Thank you so much, God.
He hasn't noticed
Okay.
that I've given his
And
own number
I'm going to send you
as
the
my number.
encrypted box where you need to fill your further details. Okay?
Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Now, hopefully he's going to reveal
So
his
allow me a
payment
minute.
gateway at least.
And I will recommend you also, go for the network security as well because you don't have any kind of securities to protect your network. All right? And I will just
right.
show
I
you.
thought I had something running there. Is there not something that came with this computer that okay, well anyway, you're the expert,
No.
sorry. Okay.
Alright. So over here I'm sending an encrypted box. Have a look over here. So I just wanted to
Encrypted
know
box.
that where your information would be safe and secure. So I wanted to know, Scott, what would be
sorry, the dog's here again. Sorry about that. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry, go on.
I'm asking that I wanted to know what would be the mode of payment do you use? Visa, Master, Amex, Discover?
Oh.
Which card do you use? You will go ahead and put in that box only.
Right. So, the
Okay.
little box on the right? Okay.
Yes, the right hand side, very corner.
Well, I've got a... Do you take American Express?
Just type a word there and click on send. Okay.
Okay. Just at the send thing, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Does it matter if it's American Express?
Hit on send.
Oh, it's send.
Yeah, hit on send.
Okay.
Thank you. And the expiration date would be?
Yeah, it's... yeah, sorry, it's hard to read this.
Zero 0521 and the backside number.
Oh yes, in the back. The backside number, did you say? Backside number. Never heard it called that before, but yeah, there's the backside number. Okay. Backside number. Crazy Frankie, thank you again.
So are you sure the backside number is only in three digits?
Well, that's what it says. I mean, it's got the last is 4295 space 9951 at the back.
Yeah, there would be 4 digits.
No, it's 3.
It's 3?
3 digits, yeah. Do you take American Express?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Some people have trouble with
Go
it
ahead
because it's
for
got
the
like, only 14 digits, or 11 digits. 1, 2.
Okay, just go ahead and see over there. I just send you the name on card. Name on card would be.
Oh yes, it's Mr. O. J. Cart. I don't know what the J stands for. I've just made that up. Yes.
Now click on send.
Yes. Sorry, it's this dog. Get away. Sorry, it's actually snapping at me. Healing it. Sorry, hold on. The dog is just. Yeah. Take. Right, sorry. And that was the name on the cart, so I have to hit send, do I? Sorry, this dog is really annoying me here.
Alright.
Yes. Go away. Right, that's better. TJ, I rarely have the patience as well, but like, let's face it, these guys are, when I'm wasting their time, they're not scamming somebody else, so it's well worth it. But thank you again. Fiver gets me a pint, so appreciate it, TJ. Can you, and how long do you think it'll take to fix?
Sure, okay, you will not, you will not be able, you will not be on call with me for the next 45 to 60 minutes.
Okay.
Just you will leave this machine as it is, alright? And I will work from my
feet,
okay?
Once again.
So right now, what I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to take a verbal authorization on behalf of merchant.
Yeah.
So Mr. Cart,
Yes.
Do you authorize Super Secure Web, which is a third party not affiliated with any other brand? However, we do provide support and services for all the major brands to go ahead and charge your MX card, which ends with 4295 for the one-time fixation, which is $249.99 in USD, and okay, and in and dollars that in sterling that would be 192.63 sterling. So do you thought this charge? Is that yes from your side?
Could you say that slowly? I didn't get the start of it.
Okay, Mr. Cart, do you authorize Super Secure Web, which is a third party not affiliated with any other brand? However,
did you say Super Secure Web?
So that is a merchant, okay, which gonna reflect over to your card, okay?
What Super Secure Web?
That would be the merchant name. So the tool which we have to use, okay, we are gonna purchase these tools from this Super Secure Web, okay? So the
King
merchant name will be reflected over to your card. That would be
pronounced it wrong.
Merchant.
Thank you for the $4.99 for a pint.
Super
really appreciate it.
Secure Web, alright?
Secure Web.
It's gonna reflect over to your cap. Yes. So I'm going to take the same verbal authorization to go ahead
Ms.
and
V,
charge
thank
it.
you.
Okay?
I will have some chips. $2 as well. Thank you very much.
Card, do you authorize
Yes, sorry,
Super Secure Web, which is a third party not affiliated with any other brand. However, we do provide support and services for all the major brands to go ahead and charge MX, which ends with 4295 for the one-time fixation, which is $249.99 in USD. Do you
Yeah.
authorize this charge? Is that
Yes,
yes from your side?
I authorize that
Thank
charge
you.
for super secure web. Yeah.
Okay. And I request you once again, please go ahead and charge, just check the backside your CVV number, okay?
The backside.
It would be
Uh
the
huh.
CVV number, I hope it would be
The
4 digits.
it's 3 digits. Yeah.
You sure?
Well, it's got 3 digits in the back. Yeah. Yeah. Are you sure it's not just because this is American Express? Because sometimes people don't like American Express and kind of nowhere accepts it. So could it be to do with that?
Well, actually, I hope so. Okay, that would be in 4 digit in American Express. The CVV number would be 4 digits.
Oh,
Okay, CVV code.
right. Um, that's just it's 3 digits on the back here. Now it could be 9 5. Sorry, 5951. Would that be it? Is it not working for
What is
you?
that?
Is it
5?
5951?
That is the CVV number?
Well, I think so. It's got 3 numbers, but there's a few numbers in front of it, and it ends in 5. So 5951. Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
All right. So right now, what I'm going to do, okay, I'm just going to connect you this call to one of my security experts, okay, who
Okay.
gonna assist you the securities if you do not want to face that kind of trouble in future again and again. All right. So you don't
Okay.
need to
Okay.
spend
Great.
that much money. Okay.
Great. Great.
Okay. So please be on call
Sorry,
with
hang
me.
on.
Let me
The
connect your
dog's
call,
here
and I
again.
appreciate your patience.
The dog's here
Thank you.
again. Just a second. Get away. Dog. Right. Sorry
Okay.
about that. That's just this dog's just. I have to. Yeah. That's okay. Won't it annoy me again? Thanks, G Money, for that suggestion. Moon Monster, thank you again. Get me another pint. I'll be getting drunk tonight at this rate. And again, Pablo Bozelli, thank you again. Amazing job. Well, the odd laugh anyway. I'm more keen to keep these guys occupied. I like it high feet. Whenever he's back on, I'll do say we'll do a little scream here and see what happens. At this point, they're obviously checking the details of that credit card, so I'm sure they won't go much further when they find out it's fake. But let's hope it's enough to keep them going. Their internal communication isn't very good if they just realised I was phoning from the same number and they still did nothing. And he's finally got the errors and warnings visible. Oh, now he's going to close it. I'm interested to find out who these guys are as well, because I probably have phoned them in the past, although they're not using they're using GoToAssist, so I can't find their IP address, not easily. Daniel, thank you very much. You've thrown me $10, and that is a pint or two for that poor dog who's getting a good kicking at this point. Peyton Fane, again, thank you. Occupy them all. Yes, I do intend to do that. Oh,
Thank
hello.
you for holding the line.
Hi.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah.
My name is Ryan. I'm the
Hi,
network
Ryan.
security advisor here. I believe I'm speaking to Mr. Cart.
That's correct. I am Mr. Cart.
Okay. All right. Hi,
And you're
Mr.
not
Cart.
Mr.
This is
Ryan.
Ryan. So, how are you doing today, sir?
Oh, not great, because my computer's running like a dog, and I don't know what's wrong with it. It acts really slowly. Can you help me, Ryan? Because the other
Yeah,
guy
of
said he'd
course I
fix
can
it, but
help
it's
you with
still
that.
running as slowly as it was.
No, yeah, I can see that, sir. So
It's
don't
really
worry.
slow.
It's our responsibility now to fix the problem.
Great.
And can you please tell me, like, since how long you are facing this problem with the computer?
Oh, I've been on the phone for nearly an hour, and it still hasn't got any better.
Because we haven't started the work yet. Okay.
Oh, I see.
So,
Alright, so
no
the
worries,
other
sir.
guy said
Here,
he'd started.
yeah.
That's all.
So, yeah, here I will start the work, okay, over to the computer. Now, like the problem that you are facing with the computer, it's not with only the computer. Computer is just device, okay, that has been infected with some kind of infection that you got from the internet. But the
Sounds painful.
problem is coming from the network, okay? The
Oh, the
network of
network.
yours, okay? The network that you are using, yeah, that
That
is
would explain it.
infected.
Yeah, it's running really slowly. Something to do with the live
Yes,
stream,
and that
possibly.
might be the reason you're facing this kind of problem over to your computer, okay? So,
Oh, right, right.
like, can you please tell me? I come to know that you got some kind of security warning message on the computer. The technician told me. Is that correct?
Yes, there was a warning and it said something about Facebook logins and credit card details and bank stuff and all. It was really scary. It's gone now. That was it.
Okay,
It
and can
was,
you please tell
oh,
me what were you doing over the computer when you got this?
oh, I'm so tempted to say surfing porn, but better not. Well, it was just researching the cart family tree, and yeah, it just suddenly popped up. Do you know anything
All
about
right.
that, or
And
could you have anything? Yeah,
I'm sorry, I didn't get that.
yeah. Do you know why I would get that? Wouldn't have anything to do with you commissioning fake pop-ups by any
No,
chance?
sir, I don't have any idea about it.
Right, right. Okay. So what do I do next then?
So, sir, here your call has been transferred to me just so that I can go ahead and recommend you some kind of securities because the
Right.
problem that you're facing right now, okay, it can reoccur in future, right? And you will have
Yeah.
to spend again this kind of money, right?
I
So
wouldn't
even
want
we
to do that.
don't want our customers to spend this kind of money again and again. So just in order to like prevent that, okay, this kind of problem that you're facing right now, I'm going to recommend you some kind of securities that you can get for your device, not only for the device but for the whole network and your IP.
Oh, right. Okay. Good. Good. Well, what? I mean,
All
what
right.
do you do then, or how do I do this?
Yeah, so here I'm going to recommend you some kind of securities. Now, before that, let me explain you one thing here. Okay, the
Okay.
infection,
Let's
okay, the Trojan file that
I
the
really do
technician
need to
found
dig
here
out my
while
scammer
diagnosing the
bingo. I'd be
computer.
hitting everything on the
Uh,
chart with this
how
guy.
does it work? Okay, let me
Yeah.
just show you.
Yeah.
First of all, that
Okay.
would be easier for you to
Oh
understand that.
God, they always do the same bloody tutorial on firewalls. I'm sure it's so cringy. Anyway, let me dig out scammer bingo because I'm sure I'll be able to fill out most of my card with this guy. Let's see again. I had a spreadsheet originally, but a lot of people have created their own little kind of, they've knocked together in Visual C++, Visual C Sharp, and all sorts of different apps to have their own version of Scammer Bingo. So let me dig one out. Hi, are you still there?
Yeah, I'm here, sir. Actually,
Okay,
you have to have some patience here because the computer is working very, very slow.
it's incredibly so.
Yeah.
So while he does his usual boring man in the middle attack stuff, I will dig out, where did I put my Scammer Bingo? Here we go.
Now, can you please tell me, like, do you use the computer for any kind of business or it's just for your personal use?
Oh, this is just my own personal use. I don't use it for business at all.
Okay, so personal as in like, do you use it for banking, for
Oh yes,
online
for
shoppings, or to
banking,
pay your bills?
shopping, browsing, emailing, oh the works.
All right.
Live streaming.
Now, sir, here, with the help of this picture, it will be easier for me to explain you the things, okay? The
Okay.
problem that you are facing, okay? I just want you to have a look at this picture.
Yes.
It's not opening.
It is running really slowly. I when I type stuff there, the machine is running like a dog, and sorry, this dog. It's I've just got the worst behaved dog imaginable. Down, yes. Down. Daniel, I just noticed it. Thank you again for the throwing me a fiver. Someone should have a rat disguised as TeamViewer. Yeah, well, I've seen those, and the problem with that is that these guys get very suspicious if they see other remote access clients there. So I wouldn't probably disguise it like that, but I have seen others do that. And to promote it in scammer Skype groups, that's a possibility, but they are kind of wary about it. But that sounds like a good suggestion. Thanks, Daniel. What is this? What is this here? User web new connection.
Yeah. Do you have any option over there to click on?
Do I have any option to click on?
All right. All right. All right. Please don't do anything here. This
Okay.
is the picture I was about to show you. Okay, I was talking about. So this is just to explain you the situation of the network that you have right now. Okay. So
Okay.
the user, let's suppose
Oh
it's
God,
you.
he's too
Okay.
boring to talk to. But I have got
You are
Frankenballs
using
asking
your
a
computer
question.
at your
Thanks
home.
again for the $5.
Now this web
So,
application, okay,
what's the
that
best
is
thing about
the global
Switzerland?
server, or
I
you
don't
can
know
say
either,
the
but the
server
flag is a big plus.
on
Very
which you're
good.
trying to
Yes, it's an
connect.
old
Let's
one, but a
suppose
good
it's
one.
your
Yeah.
bank server
Thank you very
or
much
your
for that
email
little joke.
server. Okay.
Cheers, Frankenballs.
Now you must have
The
noticed, like
flag is a big plus.
whenever
Jeez.
you log into your account, for that it asks
Yeah.
for your user ID and your password, right?
Oh yes, it did. Yes, it did.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't think his
So
version of that
when you
pop-up
type your
did, but
user
anyway.
ID and after you typing your password over there, you click on login, right?
I
And
type
when
in
you click
login.
on
Yeah,
login,
yeah, yeah.
yeah,
God, I'm
when you
using
click
the
on
will
login, that means you
to
are
live
sending
with this
your
guy.
personal
Jeez.
credentials, okay, your
Oh,
information to the
does get
server,
tough
okay,
listening to
be
these
it the
guys.
banking server or the email server. You are just sending your
Yes.
information to them, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's just you can say the
Oh,
connection
I'm
between
losing it.
you
It's
and
too
the
boring. Oh
server
my
that you are
God.
trying to connect. Okay. In return, they respond to your request,
Yes.
and
Yeah.
the server allows you to get into your account.
Oh
Okay. That
God.
means
Oh,
after that you can
falling
use your
asleep.
account, you can check your balance, you can transfer the funds, whatever you want to do, you can do after that, right? So this is the original connection between you and the banking server. Okay, and it is supposed to be
Sorry.
like this.
Just hang on. Sorry, it's my dog. No, it's actually not. It's sorry. Hang on. The cats come in here just a second because it'll get on the keyboard. You know what? Get in there. Sorry about that. Sorry. It just between the dog and the cat, I'm not letting you finish. Apologies. Just please keep going. Just in a much less
Yeah,
boring
no
way, please.
problem. So here, that's what I'm saying, sir. The original connection is supposed to be like this between you and the server only. But right now, the problem that we're facing is someone is here sitting between you and the server, okay,
Oh, who
and
is
they
it?
are
Who is it?
monitoring
Is that
your
the red? Is
activity.
that the red guy in the middle? Who is he? Who is that?
Yes,
Who is it?
yes, sir.
Who is it? The red guy. Who is it?
And and there is the,
Oh,
you
he
can
won't
say,
even
the
answer
new
their
pathway
question.
that has been created, a new channel has been created through which every information that you are sending or receiving is via this channel. Okay, and it is
But,
not
but
supposed to be like this. It
yeah,
is
it's
not
not
good at
supposed to.
all,
I can
right?
understand that guy in the red shouldn't be there. Who is he? Why is he on my network?
Yeah, it's just to track your information, like just to track your activity so that they can, steal some of your information, like your details, your credit card, your
Daniel,
banking, your
to
email, so
those
that
who
they
don't
can
know
hack
what the opposite
into
of
your
in is,
account. They can
yep,
steal your hard-earned money from your bank accounts.
yeah,
They can do anything if they have the access, right?
they
And this is the problem here right now.
right. And so, how do we get rid of that red guy in the middle there?
Yeah, so for that only, I'm here to recommend you
Oh,
some
good.
kind of securities that you can get for your network, for your devices, all right?
Right.
So just allow me a moment. Let me provide you the details on that. So
Okay.
basically, we have, yeah, two plans for you, okay? The first one is the basic security
Yeah.
that comes with 128-bit encryption.
Okay. And is that good? 128-bit.
Yes, sir. That is good.
Good.
Like as per your
Good.
uses, you just use the computer for your like no for any kind of business. It is just for your personal use.
Right. I wouldn't want
So
any of
even you
that
can go with the basic
64-bit or
security.
32-bit. Like that's old hat, isn't it?
Now, yeah, yes. So that is, like we do not recommend that 64-bit or 32-bit.
Oh, okay. Well, is there better than that?
All right. Now,
I,
yes, sir.
oh, I see.
Here, like the security I'm talking about is the basic security and the advanced security. Okay, you can choose either of the
Okay.
plan here.
Uh huh.
So the second one is the 192-bit encryption.
192.
Yeah, and
Okay.
that comes with a license of 5 years.
My goodness.
Okay.
Yeah,
and
like
that will not
extra
only
bits.
be protecting your, you can say, the device, not only the computer, all the devices that you have at your home. Okay, be it your tablet, your cell phone, your computer, your printer, smart TV, that is connected with the network basically. Okay, and your network, your IP, your credit card information, your banking information, your
But
email
can
credentials,
I not like
everything
get
will be
one better?
protected
Can
here.
I not get 193-bit encryption?
So there's no such encryption. It's 192 or
Well, thanks you,
like
Metelra.
256 bit. So the
Japanese yen,
256 bit
500.
is
I think it's the
something
first
that
ever
is
yen
used
donation I've
by the
ever had, so
business,
thank you very much.
like if they have some client information or anything. So for
Thank
that,
you. And some
we recommend
sake
the platinum
might be on the
security
way.
that comes with
Thank you very much.
256 bit encryption.
Oh, 5256. That sounds even better. And does that
I'm sorry.
protect me against everything then, or is there more than that? Can I get more than that again? Oh, that's the lifetime, is it?
Yes, that comes
I
with a
need
license for the
vacation.
lifetime.
Okay, the lifetime package. Okay. But that sounds the best one. Can I go for that one?
Yeah, of course you can go for the lifetime, like that is a platinum security, but that is bit expensive here. So no worries. Okay, it's your call. I'm just providing you details on
Hi,
all the
Feet.
plans that we have.
Said you've got a
You
rat
can go for any
upstairs.
of the
I think he's
plans.
got to go out and check.
All right.
Okay, just a second. Hang on. I've got to get rid of these two animals here, and I might have a rat upstairs. Just a second. Just give me a minute.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Hang on. I've got a rat. Right. Okay, that's better. Sorry about that. Back again.
All right.
Yep.
All right, sir. So here,
Yep.
if we talk about the platinum security that you are interested in, okay, that is the lifetime plan. So it
Yeah.
will cost you $3,000. Okay, that is the US dollars for the complete lifetime. That means you don't have to spend not a single
Three
cent for any
thousand
kind of
dollars? Are these
security
guys
ever in future.
serious?
And the best part is this security is
That's one of the most
transferable.
expensive
That
I've
means in
ever
future,
seen.
if you're buying any new device, all right,
Right.
you can just get the same security on that device as well, and there will be no any extra charge for that.
3,000, but hang on, this dog again. Just a second, hold on. Right, right. Sorry about that. It's just $3,000. $3,000. Can you not get? I'm pretty sure I heard of somebody called 512-bit encryption. Can I not get that for $3,000? I mean,
Which one you say?
I had an offer from Norton Antivirus, and they talked about 512-bit encryption. Can you not match
I'm
them,
not
or
talking.
for $3,000, you
Sir,
think
I'm not.
at
Sir,
least I'm worth 512, surely?
yeah. Let me tell you one thing, sir. Here, I told you
Let me tell
this
you one
is
thing that would have
the
been good on the scam bingo card.
256-bit encryption, and this is not the antivirus I'm talking about. All right.
Oh,
This is the
right.
network security. That is the firewall protection. Okay, that will
Oh, I
gonna
see.
protect your IP as well as your network. Okay, it's not any kind of antivirus that I'm providing you. And 256-bit encryption, the security I'm talking about, that is the best security till date.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So there's no any other
Okay.
security that is better than this.
Oh, I see. Right. Well, I thought I had an offer in for 512, but I could be wrong.
No, yeah, that's what I said. There's no such security that is available for this firewall protection.
Okay. Oh, I see. Sorry, the dog's barking here. Well, okay. Well, what's the 5-year package and the 2-year package?
Yeah, of course. The 5-year one, it will cost you $2,000 for the complete 5 years, and if you go with the 2 years, okay, it will cost you $1,200 for the complete 2 years.
Oh, gee. Oh, I'll have to consult someone on that. That seems very expensive. Is there nothing cheaper than that? Like 2-bit? Can I get 2-bit?
I'm sorry, what is that?
Can I get like 2-bit encryption?
Sir, there is no such security. Okay, these are the plans that we have for you, and you
Or
have
even
to
1-bit? It
choose
could be on or off.
if you
I just
want
switch
any
it
kind
off
of.
or on. No, 1-bit encryption. On or off.
What is that?
1-bit encryption, like on or off. Can I not have that?
Sir,
I think
I
that's what
told
I
you,
have.
sir, these are the securities that we have for you, okay? You have to choose either of them, okay? We don't have any other security apart from.
Can't have 1-bit, no. Hello? Are you still there?
Sir, I'm here. I said we have just 3 of the plans, okay, that I provided the details on that, and you can tell me which
15
security
fake
you
account,
want.
thank you very much. We're just missing Lenny's ducks, correct? Okay, well, which would you do recommend? He's now hunting through my system information. He's getting a bit suspicious that I'm leading
Sure.
on.
The best one here is the Platinum security that comes with 256-bit encryption, but what I would recommend is for your using as per the compatibility, okay?
Cranky Frankie,
it's always
thank you
good to
again
get the best one, okay?
for 2
But
quid.
if there is a concern here, I
3,000
would
is a good
recommend you to
deal.
go with the advanced security as of now.
Okay, the advanced one. Okay, the $2,000 one.
Yes,
Well,
sir.
do you think I need that? Because I really, I don't know. It seems very expensive, but if I'm gonna get this problem fixed, I guess it's worth it. McGill,
Sir,
2009.
it is
Thank you very much.
expensive here,
That
but yeah,
tenner will definitely
let
get
me
me a
tell
nice
you
big
one
Ulster
thing
Fry.
here,
I
okay?
really
You
appreciate
use
that.
the computer and your devices
And
for
hello to the Jan's
the
Causeway.
banking and
another
for
local.
your online shopping. Like you share your card information, your banking information over to the internet, right?
Okay, yes. So this
Yeah.
guy's now getting
And
very
for
suspicious. He's
that,
looking through the installed
in that
programs.
situation, I would
This is a
recommend you to
pretty
go
well
with the advanced
disguised,
security
fairly well
because you're using
disguised
your banking and all information
VM.
here.
Okay.
So it is,
Okay. Well, let's go for that then.
because if you need to.
The 192-bit disturbs me a bit. It's not kind of a good round binary, power of 2 number. But yeah, we'll go for that. Okay.
All right, sir. So no problem. Let me go ahead and remove this platinum security then. And you would like to go with the advanced one, right? For the
Yes.
192-bit encryption for 5 years.
Yes. Yeah.
Is that the one that you want to go with?
Yeah.
Okay. But one thing here, okay, let me tell you. 5 years. After 5 years, again, you have to renew that.
After
right?
5 years, I have to renew it. Well, I think
Yes.
I'll have a dead computer by that stage. I'll not need it after 5 years.
Oh, all right.
Dean,
all right,
thank
no
you very
problem.
much.
So, all right,
$20.
let me go
Equally
ahead and
matched
take
it.
your verbal authorization on
I'm
behalf of the
keeping hunting
merchant
these
for the
guys.
security and for the one-time
And Twitch
fixation,
TV
the total
Punisher.
amount that you're
Wow,
spending
thank you
here.
very much. $20.
All right. So
Really
let me
appreciate
provide you
that.
the details on that. The total
That's,
amount that you're spending
thanks to you then
will
as
be,
well.
for the security, it will be $2,000.
$2,000? Okay, yes, $2,000. Yes, that's what we agreed, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
For the one-time fixation, it will be $249.99.
Oh.
All right.
Oh, both
And
of those
then,
as well.
yes.
Okay.
And of course, like for installing the
My God,
securities
these
here,
guys are
there
expensive.
will be a technician fee, and that will be $250 for that.
I didn't know there was a technician fee as well. That's a bit of a
Sir,
deal
yeah,
breaker,
sir.
that one.
In order to install the security, sir,
Okay.
in order to install the security, we have to assign you a technician. So yeah,
My
there will
God,
be a
these guys are
technician fee. That.
expensive. Well, if you think I need it, then yeah, what do we do then to...
All right. And here, like for every service, as you know, we pay the service taxes here. So yeah, the taxes will be $250. So the total
Taxes?
amount that you are spending here.
There's taxes as well?
Yeah, there are certain service taxes that we need to pay, right? So that is just the taxes that you need to pay for this service that you're availing. So
I
the
don't know
total
whether he's
amount
taking
that
the
you are
piss now or
spending
not,
here will
because
be
he's asking for far too much. We can't add either. Oh, we did.
all right. This will be the
So-
total amount that you need to spend.
$2,749.99.
Yes,
Oh.
that is US dollars.
I think that's my kind of credit limit, just about. Well, if it will fix the
That is
computer,
the credit
then
limit. So do you have the enough funds? Mm-hmm.
I think I do. Yeah, my MX might be. Okay, well, I think I have enough. I'll have to
All right.
check. But
So in that case, sir. All right. So here
Tech
I'm going
blog,
to take your
thank you very
verbal
much.
authorization. Okay.
Give me
And can
$10,
you please
sir.
tell me, like,
Really
do you use
appreciate that.
PayPal?
Oh, I've never used PayPal ever.
Yes, that's what I'm asking. Do you
I
have
know
an existing account with PayPal?
I only use Amex. Is Amex no good?
No problem. So, like, you can make the payment here, okay, with your
Okay.
MX card using the PayPal, all right?
Okay.
Because
Okay.
you
Yeah.
are in UK, we are in United States, right?
In the United
So
States,
I just want you to,
north of Delhi,
yes. So I
perhaps.
just want you to open your email account, please, so that like, I'm sending you an invoice over to your,
Okay.
email.
Yeah. Yeah. So
All right. So
yeah.
please open your email account here.
Yeah. It's kind of blank at the minute, but yeah, I can open my email if you want. Yeah.
Yeah, please go ahead and open it.
Krishna BS, thank you very much. I know these guys are damaging the reputation of India, and I know you represent the kind of true picture of what's going on in India. So anyway, which dog breed?
So what do you have on the screen?
It's just like a white page.
All right.
Why is it white? It's a completely white page. What did you do to my computer? Actually, it's done nothing to the computer. It's
So
just
let me
running
help
like a
you out.
dog.
Just allow me a moment.
Okay. Guidrius Bev, thank you very much. £2 my fixation fee. Thank you very much for that. Really appreciate it. Likewise, Hydroloss throwing me $4.99. Thank you. The Indian tech guy, I don't know what he's going to do here, but the machine's running like a dog. And I think if we're going to nominate any dog breed, has to be... Oh, he's trying to look at my camera, which there isn't one on this VM. So he's obviously very suspicious
So please
of me.
leave your mouse here.
Oh, I haven't touched my mouse, honest. It's just running really, really slow. Honestly, I'm not touching anything. I don't know why, but it's run slowly for ages, this computer. Are you still there?
Don't worry.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir, I'm here. Don't worry. We will fix each and every problem of yours. Okay, just be with me.
Oh, that scammer bingo card would have been full by now. I really should have run this at the start of it. Next live stream I do, I'll definitely have scammer bingo running. Couldn't find the app for some reason, but I'll probably dig it out again for the next one. He is now trying to access my camera. There isn't a camera attached to this, so he's going to struggle a little bit. In fact, next time I might even set something where, yeah, I could even maybe try to simulate a camera, and it's got a pretty rude picture on it or something. I could do that next time. Clearwater Pump and Well LLC, thank you very much. Again, you've thrown me $10. Yeah, we keep fighting these guys, but yeah, they keep coming back.
All right, sir. So just be with me, all right? I'm sending your information to the billing team here, all right?
Okay, good.
All right? And I'm going to take your verbal authorization on behalf of the merchant. So, Mr. Orson Card, do you authorize Super Secure Web, which is a third-party independent security and service provider, not affiliated with any brand. However, we do provide support to all the major brands to charge your MX card that ends with 4295 for one-time payment of $2,749.99. Do you authorize the payment? Is that a yes from your end?
That's a yes. That's a bargain.
Okay, thank you so much for your authorization, sir. Now, just allow me a moment. I'm sending the information to my billing team, and I will just get back to you. If you want, you can just put me on speaker till the time. Okay, you can grab a glass of water because I can see you are on call for a very long time.
I know, it's
I will be right back, okay?
Yeah, okay, well, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome, sir. Please be with me, okay? Stay connected. Just put me on speaker. I will call you, okay?
That's great. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So, this guy is about to charge my credit card for $2,000+, which is incredible. He's not going to work very well, but obviously he's quite suspicious at this point. He's looked at the details of my VM, he's looked for a camera, he's looked at the applications installed. Hasn't found any trace of VMware, but I still think he's pretty suspicious at this point. Tausif, again, thank you very much. I'm going to check his. Yeah, I'm gonna confront him whenever he kind of twigs that it is a scam bait. I'm gonna go back to him and kind of confront the guy just to see what he does. John Duffin, thank you very much for throwing me £1 there, and Malik another $5. Thank you very much. Can we rat him? That would be illegal, and it wouldn't be something I would ever do. Normally, I certainly wouldn't do it on a live stream and wouldn't encourage others to do it. You can get yourself into trouble for it, so wouldn't be something I'll even mention. High feet, yes. Can you keep him talking for a long time? I probably could. Let's just see what he says. And Wonder Twins, thank you, $2. Do the authorities follow up with my claims? In short, not in India, but in the UK, where there may be connections, then sometimes there is activity, and some companies have followed up, and some ISPs and some remote service providers actually do follow up and have thrown these guys off their networks. But from India, no. In short, anytime I've ever reported any of these guys, really nothing has happened, or nothing that they've ever reported back to me. And I do see some arrests in India, but in reality they're never either directly attributed to anything that I've done, or they certainly haven't acknowledged that I've been in any way part of that. So no, not in India is the short answer. Hi, are you still there?
Sir, I'm here. Please
Okay.
be with me. I'm creating the
Okay.
ticket ID for you. That will be for the future references. So just be with me, all right?
Great.
Yeah, just be with us.
So if they are going to email me, I'm just going to, on another machine, I'm going to just add that email account.
I'm sorry, what is that?
Sorry, are you going to email me? I'm just opening another email account. Opening my email account here, and I can't see anything. Sorry, that wasn't meant to be
All
for
right,
the
sir. I
scammers'
just
ears.
processed the payment here from
Okay.
like our end, and
Okay.
it says that the card number that you provided me is invalid. Are you sure it is like it's the card that you're using?
It's American Express. Do you take American Express?
But it's showing that the card is invalid.
But it can't be, because I use it all the time. Anyone that accepts American Express, but not often. Sometimes you get people who don't accept American Express. That's why I asked you.
No, but we do accept American Express.
Oh, I see.
The merchant that we are. Yeah.
Right. So what do I do then? Because it's definitely working.
Do you? Okay. So can you please confirm the card number once again?
Yeah. Hang on, let me take it out again. So, right. Yes, here we go. 34222. Or sorry, 3422 0122 and 4984 295.
Okay. Okay, and what is the expiration printed on the card?
0521.
2521, you said?
No, 0521.
0521, all right.
Yep.
And what is the code printed on the card?
The code is 951.
You said it's 951?
951.
Are you sure it is 9510?
Yeah, but it's got the last four digits. It says 4295951. So now they're doing the supposed repair work.
4295951, okay.
Yeah.
All right, thank you for all the details. And can you please confirm the name that is printed on the card?
Yeah, it's Mr. O.J. Cart.
Mr. O.J. Cart.
That's right, O.J. Cart.
All right.
Orson J. Cart. But you can call me Orson. So is this something about a camera here? I keep seeing camera.
Let me close that.
Yeah, you sneaky git. You were trying to open up my webcam just to see who they're talking to. What do you think? Shall we let him see the live stream just to see who? Have a look. Yeah, why not? Let's expose the web stream or the web. Let's have a look here. Yeah, have you been able to charge the card, or how long will it take to fix my computer now? Hello? Are you still there?
Yes, sir. I just
Okay.
want you to. Yes, sir. I'm here. I just want you to open your email account. Please
Okay.
log into your email. We have sent you the invoice. Yeah.
Okay. Let me open it up. Oh, sorry, I opened the wrong one there. Yes, it's running really slowly. Let me open my email. No. Where is it? My screen's gone all white again. Is that something you're doing, or what is that?
No, sir. I'm not doing anything. You have the access.
Okay. So I want to see what I want to find out who exactly these guys are. So I want to see what their email actually says. It's desperately slow though. Sorry, I've tried to open my email and it's just taking ages. Come on, machine. Looks like the live streams really take a chunk out of my PC memory. I'm going to have to do something about this. Let me just kill that for the moment. I think I started my email client. I've set up some fake emails in this so that it kind of looks realistic. Again, I should be less suspicious when there's email in here. Okay, I've started this up. Looks like I've got an email. Oh no. So what am I looking for then?
Sir, I have sent you here the invoice. Okay. Just allow me a moment. Let me just check whether the billing team has sent that or not. Just let me check.
It's always good to have a few fake emails in here just to keep them on their toes. Just to Tausif, who mentioned about NDTV News Channel, I've tried this in the past, but you know, there's very few people really take interest in any of these scams, and I will try again in India, but I've got to say, so far we've had very little response from any of the authorities in India, so I'm not holding my breath about that one, but I'll try my best, and you've recommended NDTV, so I'll have a look at that one. Thank you. Mario, thank you again. $4.99. Mute button is scary sometimes. Yes, it definitely is. Tried to comment with this button muted here, but I failed on that just once so far. Hi Feet, yes, I'm gonna talk about the dog in just a second when he's back on here. I think he's getting very suspicious now though. Hi, am I looking for an email? I don't see anything here.
Yes, sir. Let me go ahead and check with the billing team, okay?
Okay.
Just be with me.
Yes. That's my best Hoax Hotel impression. That's not very good, I know. Eagle Waru, thank you very much. Throw me $1. Thank you. Appreciate this. And thank to everybody who's contributed on the super chat.
I just want you to refresh your email, sir. You must have received the email now.
Let me see. Get messages. Messages. No. Oh, downloading.
You haven't
Oh no,
received that?
no. Actually, I don't want. Actually, I've used this account for other purposes, but there's nothing in the inbox. You probably notice downloading 800 odd messages at the bottom here.
It seems like you haven't received it yet. Let me go ahead
No,
and
it
check
looks like
once
it.
again.
Are you sure you've sent it? Because it seems to be working okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have already sent that. Okay, so let
Oh,
me go ahead and check. Okay, or otherwise I will send
oh
it to you
yes,
once again.
sorry.
Just be
New,
with me.
new, new
Yep.
invoice from Cryptical Software. What's Cryptical Software Technology?
Yeah, that is the merchant, sir. Okay.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
So please open that.
Okay. You probably noticed some of the other BXL stuff. That was from a different scam. I kind of used the same email address. I haven't checked this account in the meantime. Yes, it's got Cryptical Software Technology. Hello, Orson Cart. A new invoice has been...
Yeah, just open that.
Oh, okay. Give me a second. So, let's have a look at this.
All right, please leave your mouse now.
Okay. So it says supersecureweb.com view Cryptical Software Technology. Okay. Just kill off the other inbox material. It's not relevant to this guy.
All right, so the payment that you are going to make here will be in two parts. All right.
Okay.
The first one is $2,000. Okay, that is for the security, the advanced security. Okay, and the rest of the amount it includes the one-time fixation, the taxes, and all. All right. So first we are going to process the $2,000 here.
Okay. But it says that that's like Texas and dollars. So are you in Texas then?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
We are in Texas.
Oh, I see. Just out of interest, what time is it in Texas?
I'm sorry, I didn't get that.
What time is it with you there in Texas?
Here in the Texas, you're
Yeah.
asking? It's 12. Yeah, it's 12:10. Like it's
Oh, I see.
10
Right.
p.m.
Oh, so it's like early in the morning. Yeah.
No, sir, it's noon.
Oh, it's noon. Okay.
By the way, this is 24/7 support. Okay, even in early in the morning, you give us a call, we'll be there for you.
Okay.
All right.
You don't sound like you're from Texas. That's all.
No, I'm not from Texas, sir. I work here. I'm from Malaysia.
Oh, Malaysia. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And what's PayPal? Who am I paying? Or I'm kind of confused now. Is it Cryptical what or who am I paying?
Sir, that is the merchant to whom you're paying, and this is the name that is going to appear. All right. So.
Oh, okay. Or who am I paying?
Sir, that is the merchant to whom you're paying, and this is the name.
Okay. Can you tell me anything in Malay then? I didn't realize you were from Malaysia.
Sir, in Malaysia, actually, we are basically from India, okay, and we are like my family settled over there.
Oh, I thought you said Malaysian.
So we are Hindus, and yeah.
Okay. I thought you said Malaysia, not India.
No, these are two different countries.
No, I know, but
I
thought you said you were in Malaysia. That's all. Whereabouts in India then are you?
I'm sorry?
Whereabouts in India?
What is that? I'm sorry, I didn't get
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Whereabouts are you in India?
Yeah, no, I was born and brought up in Malaysia. My parents are from India.
Ah, I see. Have you ever been to Irving?
Yeah.
Irving's a great place.
What is that?
Irving. You need to look it up on the internet. It's world famous. Scotland. God, this is taking ages. This is supposed to take this long. Hello? Are you still there?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay.
Please leave your mouse.
Oh,
Please
sorry.
leave
Yes,
your
I
mouse.
just can't help but clicking other things. You know how it is. Thomas, thank you very much. If you're in
Do you
Texas,
watch
hello, shout out to
YouTube?
everybody in Texas there. Do I watch YouTube? Yeah, I'm trying to watch YouTube
Yeah.
for a little while. Yeah. Do you watch YouTube?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, you're about to be famous on YouTube. Do you know that?
I'm sorry, what is that?
Yeah, you're about to be famous on YouTube.
Yeah, can you do that?
Oh, I can do that certainly. Yeah. In fact, you're currently being live streamed in front of. Let's get the live count.
Okay.
There's 2,363 people watching you live right now.
Mm-hmm.
You
All
can
right.
shout out to those
And did you
2,300
do
people.
that?
Uh huh.
Yeah, of course. I would like. I would love to. Can you please tell me like which what is the link? The
Oh,
channel
I'm
name.
trying to paste it in here. It's running really, really slowly. So, well, in fact, I've double pasted it. Let me just paste it in here, and you can have a look yourself. You can see us.
I'm sorry. What is that?
You're about to see. This is the link. If I can ever get my. Oh, there we go. If I can ever get this to work.
Yeah, sure.
So,
Sure.
do you want to shout out to those 2,300 plus people? Nearly $1 for, you were charging me a little bit more for that in dollars. Let's have a look here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, God. This is so slow. So, what's the company anyway that everybody on the live stream can be aware of that's trying to scam people in?
We are not scamming people, sir.
Hang on, you've just done this live in front of 2,000 plus people. So do you want to go back in that and try that again?
No, I'm not lying. Here, you had a problem with the computer and
No.
you just contacted us, right?
I never had a problem with the computer, as you know, because your pop-up is fake and it's just JavaScript saying that everybody's got a virus when they don't. Anything to say about that bit?
All right,
first?
and how did you get the pop-up here?
Oh, if you
I
accidentally
didn't
do
call
a
you. I
typo,
didn't send you any kind of.
if you typo
No,
Gmail
please go ahead.
and do a little mistake in the URL, then your pop-up pops up. So nothing to do with the virus, everything to do with cyber squatting in a typo domain. That's, as you well know. So, are you going to admit you're scamming?
But I thought like you were actually facing the problem because you told me that you are facing the problem. The computer is working slow, so that is for the lifetime support you are paying here. So if you don't have any problem, why you're paying then?
Well, I just wanted to waste your time. I mean, that's the whole reason for ringing you up and putting you in front live in front of 2,300 people.
I got it.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah.
Okay.
So who
And you
is?
succeeded, right? You did it.
Well, it wasn't just me. There was a lot of people on this live stream also contributing, and they're also helping out. So not just me. No. Do you
All
want to
right,
give a?
and the people like who are live there from UK or from where they are. By the way,
All-
hi all people, hi all the guys out there.
All over the world. I've got people in Texas, and I've got people in the UK, and I've
how
got
many-
people in Japan.
So how many subscribers you have on your channel?
Coming up to 200,000. Getting there.
200,000. All right, that's a
200,000.
very good number.
Yep. And about 2,386 of them are watching you at the moment.
So can you just open your channel here on
Yeah, it's
the
the.
computer screen so that even I can go and subscribe your channel?
Oh, please do. Yeah. Uh, but do you not feel a little bit embarrassed about scamming people?
Why would I feel that, sir? If we are providing any kind of service and we are, if we are asking for the money from the customers for that, for providing the services, why would I embarrass?
Because what you say to them is complete pack of lies. You don't tell them that
No, it's
it's a
not.
fake virus pop-up. You don't tell them that Event Viewer contains normal errors and logs.
But it's not only the pop-up, sir. See, it's not only about the pop-up, right? If you are facing any kind of problem with the computer, with your printer, with your cameras, like the security cameras if you have, your tablet, your cell phone, if you need any kind of technical assistance, you can just call us and we will provide you the support till the time you have the subscription.
The problem is, if you recruit customers by lying to them, you're scamming them. I don't care if you
But we are
provide
not lying.
correct
You faced the
support after that.
problem, you called us.
No, you've got a fake pop-up. It's fake. That's the whole idea. It has your phone number on it, and it's fake. It's a scam.
And how do you know that it's fake?
Sorry? How do I know
How
that
do you
it's
know that it's
fake?
fake?
Because I can look at the
Yes,
Java
that's what I'm
source
asking.
code and it's always the same.
Mm-hmm.
And you run through everything that's you normally run through in a tech support scam, like running Event Viewer and running Netstat and all those sort of things. It's a normal standard tech support scam, as you know. I'm trying to get my
I
YouTube
don't
channel
like.
here, but it's
See
running the
here.
dog.
Mhm. See here, we get the customers. The customers contact us. Okay, if they are facing the problem, I don't know what is the source from where they are getting the number, why they are calling. Our job is to provide the support,
Okay, well,
and that is
we'll
what
see
I
if you're
get
telling
paid
me the
for.
truth. I'm going to ask you a few questions and see if you'll answer them honestly. Which
Yeah,
BPO,
sure.
which BPO employs you?
I'm sorry. What is that?
Which company pays you?
The company, the name of the company is Online Technical Support. This is the name of the company. Like this is the name that has been registered for the firm that I'm working for the organization I'm working for.
And do you have an address and phone number?
Sir, it is. You have already the invoice right from the company, so you have each and everything over there.
So,
Every details is mentioned over
so do you want to tell me exactly what the company name is?
there. Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me what the company name is.
Sir, I told you, and it is mentioned over the invoice. You can check the invoice.
Okay, I'm just going to get that because this is going to be too slow on this computer, so I'm going to look on the other computer.
Yeah, so you have to have some patience there. You can check your email onto your phone or on your other computer that you have.
Okay, give me a second. Let's have a look here.
Yeah, sure. At
Uh,
least just let me know the name of your channel so that I can go ahead and check.
yeah, look for Jim Browning,
It's
Browning.
J I
Yep.
B R O W N I N G, and the first name is Jim. J.
JIM. Yeah.
Get what you saying?
Have a look.
Okay.
So you're about to see the live stream finally, and this computer is so slow. So
So,
cryptical
is this the name of
software.
your channel?
Yes, Jim Browning. Have a look for it. You'll see it in a second here, but
All right. Yeah, actually, I don't have time. Like I'm just
no,
wasting my
too
time.
busy
There are other
scamming
customers
people.
waiting over the line.
So have you
I
anything
told
to
you, sir,
say
it's
about
not
the scam?
scamming. Okay.
I was going to ask you a few more questions though, because I'd really like to hear it from your point of view. What's your real name?
Yeah, sure.
What's your real name?
My real name,
Uh-huh.
it is Ryan.
No, it's not Ryan. No.
No, it is.
Do you want to try with a proper Indian name?
I told you, sir. I was born and brought up in Malaysia.
Can you say one word in Malaysian?
What do you want to hear?
Well, I would like to say
You can
hello
tell
to
me.
everyone on YouTube in Malay.
Yeah, so the hello is hello.
Hello is hello in Malay, is it? And how do you say?
Yeah.
Sorry. How do you say hello to everyone on YouTube in Malay? Go on.
Actually, I don't speak, the
You were
language
brought
of
up
Malaysia.
in
I told you.
Malaysia, but you don't speak
Hmm.
any Malay. Yeah?
No, yes, that's what
No,
I'm
no,
saying.
yes. Okay. Your story's unraveling a bit here. So let's just say, oh, you hung up eventually. Oh well, what a shame. That was good. That kept it going. It was a bit entertaining. It was getting slightly more entertaining at the end there, but he didn't hang on, which is a real shame. And he's just, oh, we'll just report the abuse here. So again, thank you to everybody who was on that. It's a pity this machine was running just so slow, because I would have liked him to have seen his own live stream, but it looks like we're not going to get that. And I really appreciate everybody who has commented on the stream, everybody who has done the super chat. And again, high feet. And I know that you're throwing quite a few things in here, just including $2.99 at the end there for Ace. So again, really appreciate everybody who has contributed there. This guy now knows where to look, and I suspect he's away to look at Jim Browning's live stream. So I can keep this one up. I don't think there was too much other than the machine was very slow. I'll probably keep this one live anyway. But again, to everybody, Malik1013 again, you're saying that he's seen restaurant owners with Gordon Ramsay in less of a denial. But he was getting quite funny at the end there. It's a pity he did hang up, but hey ho, I think he was well and truly rumbled. Let me just send the report to Fast Support about the scam. I don't think they do very much with this. I mean, and what happens is these guys, all that happens is they re-register on Fast Support, download the software again, using a different email address. So I don't think these scam reports do very much, but hey ho. Again, Joe Scambait, thank you again, throwing in a little fiver at the end here. James P, again, thank you very much. I really appreciate everybody who's contributed to that. As I say, your support, either directly through from YouTube, from the super chat, and for patrons as well, is really appreciated. It keeps me going with a lot of these scam bits. I'm working on a video at the moment which is going to be revealing for a couple of organisations. I haven't uploaded a video in a little while, and I do intend to put that to rights pretty soon. I've been working on stuff over the weekend. You will see more during the week. And again, appreciate everybody's support, particularly on the super chat today. And as I say, you will see more videos from me very shortly indeed. Again, appreciate all that support. I think I'll leave the live stream at this point. Again, Roxy asked Cho, I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, but taking India down one bloke at a time, yeah, could be a motto for me. Again, appreciate everybody who joined that live stream. I'll keep it on my channel for, I don't think there's anything in there that's too revealing or anything like that, so we'll keep it on there if you want to review it. And again, appreciate everybody's support, so I'll leave the live stream here. Again, appreciate all of that support. Thank you.